So today I want to show you my object-oriented application design studio for building object-oriented web applications. So what does that mean? What am I looking at here? Well, what you're seeing is a project, an object-oriented project. And what it does is it creates an object-oriented web application. So the thing you're seeing here, if I open the preview, is this application. What you'll notice is it looks very similar, and the reason is this is version 2 of this application. So I'm building the next version of this application inside of itself. It's called Nojobo, by the way. So let's see how this works. So what you'll see on this side is a hierarchical tree layout made of these little boxes. Now each of these is an object, and that's a piece of programming, a piece of the program that represents some form of code or some sort of entity. So if you see a search bar here, if you go into the application, you can see a search bar with an icon input. And you can open these little boxes to edit them. So they're pieces of code in the program that fit together. As you can see, the search bar holds the icon and the input. And it has styling properties because it's a visual object. It's a view, as they say. And if you go into them, you can see each thing. So what you do is you create your objects, your layout, you attach them to each other, and you can create a visual layout with different features and different layouts and all this sort of stuff. So that's this side. Now the orange side is the state/data hierarchy of the application. So these are things that you can see. This is just data that really controls the application. There's lots of control flow in here, and these hold data which basically represent the state of the application. So when data changes, the views listen and they update. So for example, the top bar, when the mode changed, it might hide itself or it might show itself. So this is the top bar. When it's in editing mode, it hides. When it's in map mode, it shows. And the application, if you go to the top bar, where is it? Well, whatever, the mode's here. And things will hide and show when the mode changes. So you have the data and you have the views. And in each component, you have the code that makes it up. And the great thing about this sort of program layout is that you have testing and documentation built in, and also previews. So I can click in and see a preview of the application in my app. And if I want to, edit it, sort of make changes, I can let's change the top bar here. So if I want to zoom in on this, if I want to make this maybe a purple border, maybe I can make it 5 pixels. So I can live edit different parts of my application. That's an advantage of object-oriented programming and this program in general. So that's the basic idea. You can create applications in an object-oriented manner. Every piece of your application is a little object. They all connect to each other, fit in with each other. And the idea is simplicity and organization. You can see the whole project. It's very simple. There's only 2 types of things, and how they work together. And it's all organized. You can zoom in on the parts you want to edit. You can edit them live and make changes. And that's all there is to it, really. It's a great program. I'm building great applications with it. And if you'd like to use it too, it's in the alpha version. It's the very first version 0. It's alpha. It's not complete yet. But if you want to test it out and experiment and give your feedback on it, you can use it at nojobo.com. And there will be a link in the description. So, thank you for watching, and hope you learned something about how object-oriented programs work.